Rapid Restore Fishing Trip, first week of October. Roofing's about to get busy. Restoration's about to get busy. This is the perfect time to celebrate the hard work that everybody does here at Rapid Restore. This is how we say thank you to everybody. Fishing trip, head out 5 hours, catch some fish, have fun. We got prize pools, we got drinks, we got everything we need. This is a team building exercise. We're here to have fun. I hope everybody has a good time. And to everyone here that works for Rapid Restore, truly, we couldn't make it happen without everyone here. So this is about them today.
Jared, what do you got?
We're out here at Bay Shore today. We're about to go fishing. All right, they bait the line for you. They set you up. It's easy as that. It's going to be a fun time. Captree State Park.
Mike?
Is that Arm?
What up, Arm? What's going on? How are you?
What's going on? Yeah, what's going on? What up, Henry? Check this out. 60 egg sandwiches. I thought we were all winners.
First and last.
First and last. Not on this boat. Only 2 winners coming off this boat. What's up?
Morning. How we doing?
All right, everyone on the boat. We're leaving. We're leaving. Let's go. Wait for everyone. I was going to say, tell them to hurry up. Yo, Eric, Caesar, good morning. What's up? How you doing? How you doing? Good to see you. What's up? Good to see you.
Good to see you well, man.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Is there anybody else?
It happens, yeah.
I know.
Sunday mornings are hard.
People are motivated till 5:30 comes. I think one more. For good measure.
That ain't as big as that one's, though, right?
There's one for the restoration. That's the biggest one. Josue held the lead with 15 inches. That's definitely bigger. Damn, bro. Josue's not even over. Yeah, there you go, Henry. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, look, so hey, it's a fluke. You heard?
Your bucket. All right, first fish of the day. The only thing I caught so far. I'm pretty proud of myself. I don't know yet. I'm estimating about 15 and a half minimum.
How was the fight?
The fight was pretty bad. Something grabbed it on the way, on the line. I'm going to go with the shark. I think it was a great white.
Solid fight. What do you think the fish could do better next time?
Next fish has always got to be bigger.
Don't get fucking caught.
What's going on, Henry? Wrap it out here. Having a great day.
Oh, yeah.
Whole lot of no fish. I got a good reel for you.
Hell yeah, I got a good reel for you.
So I'm pulling this thing up, and I think a great white took a bite out of it. I'm not too sure what that is. Pretty fresh.
Can we put this one in there?
I don't know. Oh! Fuck yeah.
Why are you dropping stuff?
He shoots, he
It was
scores.
a hole in one.
I was about to kiss him.
Totally different fish.
I was going to kiss him.
That was a little slippery.
I got 2, baby. We live out here.
Yeah?
We live. Oh, yo, you're tangling with me. I'm gonna catch you in a minute.
We lying or we dying?
We live out here.
He's messing up already.
You caught on my line.
Anything, Mike?
Oh yeah, we're catching, we're slaying them.
And like you let
Bunch
it
of fish,
tail hang
couple
off and you
fluke,
let that
couple
come out the
sea
back.
bass, a little bit of skate.
In other words, nothing.
We're killing them. What? Oh, nothing? 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 Does this look like nothing to you? We got doormats in this boat. Come on, baby, let's go.
What's up? What's up? Yeah, Mike's killing it, slaying it.
care, boys.
Thank you for everything.
Good job, everybody.
All right, bro. See you on the bridge, man.
Right there, you're right.
That's a wrap.
Oh, they ran away with that.
They
Go
did
catch
that.
them. Thank you so much. Take care.
Take care.
So grand winner.
Yeah, that's the big winner.
Big winner right here.
That's the winner right there. That's the winner right there. Yo,
Make some soup,
let me
baby.
interview you real quick. Hold on. How many inches was that fish?
23.
Was it a good fight?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Awesome.
All right, so the fishing trip is over. Everybody's got some fish, handed out a bunch of prizes. Thanks to Zach, the captain of the Eddie B3. If you're ever at Captree State Park, out of all the boats that are sitting here waiting to take you out, the captain Eddie B3, it was a wonderful time. Thank you, Zach. Thank you to the whole crew. We had an amazing time. So that's it, guys. Team building 2023 is complete. You know, everyone works so hard. Everyone has their own tasks. We have our sales guys, we have our installers, we have our operations guys. We're all so involved doing our thing to make this whole rapid restore project work. It's so nice to have one day a year to be able to come together and meet with all the guys that make this project happen. I'm so blessed. I thank God. I thank everybody that we can come together and do this thing once a year. It's truly amazing. Captain Eddie B3, if you're ever looking for a charter boat on Long Island, I highly suggest them. And that's it.